Hello everyone, welcome to Growth Finance channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of Etsy and sharing essential tips on how to make money selling handmade goods. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, these tips will set you on the path to Etsy shop success. So, let's get started. Etsy is a unique online marketplace that specializes in handmade, vintage, and craft supply items. Unlike other e-commerce platforms, Etsy's focus is on creativity and originality, making it the perfect place for artisans and crafters to showcase their work. Before diving into how to make money on Etsy, it's crucial to understand what sets Etsy apart. Etsy's customer base is looking for unique, handmade items that they can't find anywhere else. This means your products need to be original, high quality, and well presented to stand out. Popular categories on Etsy include jewelry, home decor, clothing, art, and personalized gifts. Understanding the types of products that sell well on Etsy can help you tailor your shop to meet customer demands. Setting up your Etsy shop is the first step to selling your handmade goods. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Create an account. Sign up for an Etsy account and choose a memorable shop name that reflects your brand. 2. Complete your profile. Add a profile picture and a bio that tells your story. Customers love to know the person behind the products. 3. Set up shop policies. Clearly outline your shop policies, including shipping, returns, and payment methods. Transparency builds trust with your customers. 4. Add listings. Start by listing a few items. Take high-quality photos, write detailed descriptions, and set competitive prices. Make sure to use relevant keywords to help your listings appear in search results. 5. Optimize for SEO. Use Etsy's SEO tools to optimize your shop and listings for search. Include keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to increase your visibility. A well-set-up shop creates a professional appearance and makes it easier for customers to find and purchase your products. The success of your Etsy shop depends largely on the quality of your products. Here are some tips for creating high-quality handmade goods that will attract customers. Use quality materials. Invest in high-quality materials to ensure your products are durable and attractive. Perfect your craft. Take the time to hone your skills and perfect your craft. High-quality workmanship will set your products apart from the competition. Pay attention to detail. Small details can make a big difference. Ensure your products are finished to a high standard, and check for any flaws before listing them. Stay current. Keep up with trends and customer preferences to ensure your products remain relevant and in demand. Remember, your products are the heart of your business. High-quality items lead to positive reviews, repeat customers, and more sales. Pricing your products correctly is crucial for making a profit and attracting customers. Here are some tips for pricing your handmade goods. Calculate costs. Start by calculating the cost of materials, labor, and any overhead expenses. This will give you a baseline for your pricing. Research the market. Look at similar products on Etsy to see what other sellers are charging. This will help you price your items competitively. Consider your time. Don't forget to factor in the time it takes to create your products. Your time is valuable and should be reflected in your pricing. Add a profit margin. Ensure your prices include a profit margin. That makes your business sustainable. A common formula is to add 20–30% to your total costs. Adjust as needed. Monitor your sales and adjust your prices if necessary. If your items are selling quickly, you might be able to increase your prices. If sales are slow, consider lowering them or running promotions. Finding the right balance between covering your costs and staying competitive is key to pricing your products effectively. Marketing is essential for driving traffic to your Etsy shop and increasing sales. Here are some effective marketing strategies. Social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your products. Post regularly, engage with your followers, and use relevant hashtags to increase your reach. Platform selection. Choose platforms that align with your target audience. Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook are great for visual products. Content strategy. Post regularly with a mix of product photos, behind-the-scenes shots, and customer testimonials. Use stories and reels to engage followers. Hashtags. Use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Research popular hashtags in your niche and incorporate them into your posts. Engagement. Respond to comments, messages, and engage with your followers' content. Building relationships on social media can lead to loyal customers. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters with updates, promotions, and new product launches. Email marketing is a great way to keep your customers engaged and informed. Build a list. Collect email addresses through your Etsy shop, website, or social media. Offer a discount or freebie in exchange for sign-ups. Regular newsletters. Send newsletters with updates, promotions, and new product launches. Keep your content interesting and valuable. Personalization. Personalize your emails with the recipient's name and tailored product recommendations. 1. Collaborations. Partner with other Etsy sellers or influencers to reach a broader audience. Collaborations can include product features, giveaways, or joint promotions. Influencer collaborations. Partner with influencers in your niche. Send them free products in exchange for reviews or features. Other Etsy sellers. Collaborate with other Etsy sellers for joint promotions or bundles. This can help you reach new audiences. Giveaways and contests. Host giveaways or contests with other sellers or influencers. This can significantly boost your visibility and follower count. 2. SEO optimization. Optimize your shop and listings for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your visibility on Etsy and Google. Keyword research. Use tools like Marmalade or Etsy's search bar to find popular keywords. Incorporate these into your titles, descriptions, and tags. Title optimization. Make your titles clear and keyword-rich. Include important keywords at the beginning. Description. Write detailed descriptions that include keywords naturally. Answer common questions and describe the benefits of your products. Tags. Use all 13 tags available in your listings. Include a mix of specific and broad keywords to cover various search terms. 3. Paid advertising. Consider using Etsy's paid advertising options or social media ads to promote your products. This can be an effective way to reach a larger audience quickly. Etsy ads. Use Etsy's paid advertising to promote your listings. Start with a small budget and test different listings to see what performs best. Social media ads. Run ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Target specific demographics and interests to reach potential customers. Google Shopping ads. List your products on Google Shopping to increase visibility. This can drive traffic from outside Etsy. 4. Content marketing. Content marketing such as blogging. Start a blog related to your niche. Write posts that showcase your expertise, share DIY tips, or tell the story behind your products. Video content. Create videos that show how your products are made, how to use them, or customer testimonials. Post these on YouTube and social media. Pinterest. Use Pinterest to share blog posts, product images, and tutorials. Pinterest can drive significant traffic to your Etsy shop. Consistent and strategic marketing efforts can significantly boost your shop's visibility and sales. Providing excellent customer service is crucial for building a loyal customer base and receiving positive reviews. Here are some tips. 1. Be responsive. Respond to customer inquiries and messages promptly. Good communication builds trust and shows you value your customers. 2. Clear policies. Make sure your shop policies are clear and easy to find. This includes information on shipping, returns, and exchanges. 3. Personal touch. Add a personal touch to your orders, such as a handwritten thank you note or special packaging. Small gestures can make a big impact. Handle issues professionally. If any issues arise, Handle them professionally and promptly. Offer solutions that satisfy your customers and maintain your reputation. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews. Recommend your shop to others and become repeat buyers. Regularly analyzing and improving your shop is essential for long-term success. Here's how to do it. Track your metrics. Use Etsy's analytics tools to track your shop's performance. Monitor key metrics such as traffic, conversion rates, and sales. Identify trends. Look for trends in your sales data to identify what's working and what's not. Use this information to make informed decisions about your products and marketing strategies. Customer feedback. Pay attention to customer feedback and reviews. Look for common themes and use this feedback to improve your products and customer service. Experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment with new products, marketing strategies, and pricing. Test different approaches to see what resonates with your customers. Continuous improvement is key to staying competitive and growing your Etsy shop. On the other hand, Fiverr is a freelance platform where you can offer various digital services, known as gigs. These services range from graphic design and writing to digital marketing and programming. Fiverr allows freelancers to connect with clients worldwide and provide their expertise on a project basis, while Etsy focuses on tangible products. Fiverr is all about digital services. However, there's a significant overlap where sellers can use both platforms to complement each other and expand their business opportunities. One way Etsy and Fiverr intersect is through the creation of digital products. Here's how you can use Fiverr to help your Etsy business. 1. Printables and digital downloads. Create printables, digital art, planners, and templates to sell on Etsy. These items are popular because customers can instantly download and use them. Use Fiverr to hire graphic designers, illustrators, or writers to help you create high-quality digital products. 2. Graphic design services. If you have an idea for a digital product but lack the design skills, hire a graphic designer on Fiverr. They can bring your vision to life and ensure your products are visually appealing and professional. By using Fiverr to create stunning digital products, you can expand your Etsy shop's offerings and attract more customers. Effective marketing and branding are crucial for success on both Etsy and Fiverr. Here's how you can use each platform to enhance your marketing efforts. Branding. Hire a Fiverr freelancer to create a cohesive branding package for your Etsy shop, including logos, banners, and social media graphics. Consistent branding helps build a recognizable and professional image, attracting more customers. 2. Social media marketing. Use Fiverr to find social media experts who can help you manage and grow your social media presence. They can create content, run ads, and engage with your audience. A strong social media presence can drive traffic to your Etsy shop and increase sales. 3. Email marketing. Hire a Fiverr freelancer to set up and manage email marketing campaigns for your Etsy shop. They can create engaging newsletters, promotional emails, and automated sequences. Email marketing is a powerful tool for keeping your customers informed and driving repeat sales. By leveraging Fiverr for your marketing and branding needs, you can focus on creating products while experts handle the promotion. Running a successful Etsy shop involves many tasks beyond creating products. Here's how Fiverr can help you outsource and streamline your operations. Administrative tasks. Hire virtual assistants on Fiverr to handle customer service, order processing, and inventory management. This allows you to focus on product creation and business growth. 2. Website development. If you want to expand beyond Etsy, hire a web developer on Fiverr to create a professional website for your brand. A dedicated website can enhance your online presence and provide another sales channel. Outsourcing tasks to Fiverr freelancers can save you time and help you scale your business efficiently. If you're already successful on Etsy, consider offering your expertise on Fiverr. Here's how you can diversify your income streams. Consulting services. Offer consulting services to other Etsy sellers. Share your knowledge and experience to help them succeed. Create gigs for shop setup, product photography, SEO optimization, and marketing strategies. 2. Digital services. If you have skills in graphic design, writing, or digital marketing, offer these services on Fiverr. This can provide a steady income stream and complement your Etsy business. By offering services on Fiverr, you can leverage your expertise and increase your overall earnings. Etsy and Fiverr are powerful platforms for creative entrepreneurs. By understanding how they relate and leveraging both, you can maximize your business potential. Whether you're creating digital products, marketing your shop, outsourcing tasks, or offering services, these strategies will help you succeed. And there you have it, essential tips for making money selling handmade goods on Etsy. Remember, success on Etsy doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and persistence to build a thriving shop. By following these tips and continuously improving, you'll be well on your way to Etsy shop success. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on selling handmade goods and growing your business. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!